Bonjour et bienvenue à la classe de français. Comment ça va? Hello. How are you doing there? I guess you are doing great. Good. Welcome to another interesting class. Today I'm going to teach you a dialogue which title Set a key. I said I'm going to read the passage to you which title what? Set a key. And set a key simply means who is the owner. Set a key means what? Who is the owner. Good. Now, if you have your textbook with you there, I want you to turn to page 71 in your textbook, chapter 9. Page 71, 71. Page 71, chapter 9. Are you there? Now get your pen, get your notebook, because I'm going to be translating. And you have a work to do for me in your workbook in page 30, chapter 9. Is that clear? Now, let's read the passage. Bonjour, Halimat. Bonjour, Halimat. Bonjour, Halimat means what? Hello, Halimat. Bonjour, Halimat. Hello, Halimat. Salut, Anne. Hi, Anne. Salut, Anne. Hi, Anne. Remember, I said it's a dialogue, okay? Halimat, tu portes une bague. Halimat, tu portes une bague. Which means, Halimat, are you wearing a ring? Halimat, are you wearing a ring? Now hear what she has to say. Oui, je porte une belle bague. Oui, je porte une belle bague. Which means, yes, I'm wearing a beautiful ring. I'm wearing a beautiful what? Ring. Is that clear? Now, listen to the next conversation. Elle est en or ou en argent. Elle est en or ou en argent. Which means, is it a gold or silver? Is it a gold or silver? Elle est en or ou en argent. It means what? Is it a gold or silver? Remember, she's wearing a ring and her friend is asking her, is the ring of gold or silver? Now hear what she has to say. Oui, elle est en or. Oui, elle est en or. Yes, it is what? It is a gold. Yes, it is a gold. Now hear the next one. Mais elle est grosse. C'est à qui? Mais elle est grosse. C'est à qui? What's the meaning of that? But it is big. It is for who? Or who is the owner? Mais elle est grosse, which means, but it is big. You can imagine a little girl wearing a bigger ring. So it is obvious that the ring is not for her. Now, here her friend is asking her this. Mais elle est grosse. Mais elle est grosse, which means, but it is big. C'est à qui? Remember, I said c'est à qui simply means, who is the owner? Now, hear what she has to say to her friend. Ce n'est pas moi. Ce n'est pas moi, which means, it is not mine. It is not mine. Ce n'est pas à moi, okay? Ce n'est pas à moi means what? It is not for me, or it is not mine. Do you get it? Good. Then the next one is c'est à Bola Masse. C'est à Bola Masse, which means it is for Bola, my sister. It is for Bola, my sister. C'est à Bola Masse. It is for Bola, my sister. You can imagine her wearing her sister's ring, meaning the ring is not for her. Okay? The ring is not for her. I take it again. C'est à Bola, ma sœur. It is for my sister, Bola. Do you get it? It is for my sister, Bola. Okay? Now, that's the end of the conversation. And how do you say goodbye in French? À bientôt, Halimant. À bientôt, Halimant. À bientôt, Anne. Which means, see you soon, Halimant. And the other one is what? See you soon, Anne. Now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to take a look at how to ask for the owner of something. Okay? We are going to do what? How to ask for the owner of something. How do we say who owns this in French? How do we say that in French? How do we say who is the owner? How do we say it is his own? How do we say it is mine? It is yours. It is her own. Do you get it? Now, listen. This is it. Set a key. Remember, I said set a key means what? Who is the owner? Set a key means what? Who is the owner? C'est à toi. C'est à toi, which means is it for you? C'est à toi. Is it for you? C'est à lui. Is it for him? C'est à lui. Is it for him? C'est à elle. Is it for her? Hello? Are you listening? Now, I take it again. Set a key means what? Who is the owner? Set a key means what? Who is the owner? Then set à toi means what? Set à toi means what? Is it yours? Set à toi means what? Is it yours? Then set à elle. Is it her own? Set à elle. Is it her own? Now, if you want to find out the translation of what I'm saying, you can also get it in your page 72. In your page 72 textbook. Okay? You can get it in page 72. This translation, set à qui, set à toi, set à lui, set à elle. Do you get it? Okay, now let's take a look at how to reply to these questions. How can we reply to all these questions? Now look at it. Voilà. C'est à moi. C'est à moi, which means it is mine. It is mine. C'est à moi means what? It is mine. C'est à lui. What is c'est à lui? It is his. Or it is for him. C'est à lui means what? It is his own. It is his own. Then c'est à mon ami. C'est à mon ami. It is for my friend. It is for my friend. C'est à mon frère. C'est à mon frère. It is for my brother. It is for my brother. So that is how to what? To answer the question. Okay? Now let's take a look at the other way. How to ask someone what he or she has. Now I want to ask you, do you have a book? What do you have? Do you have a pen? Okay? Now let's listen to how to ask these questions. Qu'est-ce que tu as? Qu'est-ce que tu as? What's the meaning of qu'est-ce que tu as? What do you have? Qu'est-ce que tu as means what? What do you have? Then the next one, tu as une gomme. Tu as une gomme, which means, do you have an eraser? Do you have an eraser? Remember, this is what? How to ask how to ask someone what he or she has. Okay, and I said the first one is qu'est-ce que tu as, which is what do you have? And the second one is tu as une gomme, do you have an eraser? Then what is the other one? Tu as un portable, tu as un portable, do you have a computer? Tu as un portable, do you have a computer? Sorry to say, do you have a phone? Portable, do you have a phone? Tu as un portable, do you have a phone? Okay? Now, how do we reply to these answers? How to reply to the questions? How do we reply to the questions? J'ai une gomme. J'ai une gomme. Remember the question is, tu as une gomme? Tu as une gomme? And the answer is what? J'ai une gomme, which means I have an eraser. I have an eraser. J'ai une gomme. J'ai une chaise. J'ai un crayon. J'ai un stylo. So these are how to answer the questions. Okay? Now the next one is oui, j'ai une table. Oui, j'ai une table, which means yes, I have a table. Yes, I have a table. Now what's the other one? Non, je n'ai pas d'eau potable. Non, je n'ai pas d'eau potable. Do you know the meaning of that? No, I don't have a handset. Okay? Or I don't have a phone. Non, j'ai pas d'eau potable. No, I don't have handsets. Okay? I don't have handsets or I don't have a phone. Is that clear? Please, always remember the way I explain it so that you can know how to answer your question in your workbook. Okay? I guess you understand what I just explained to you now. Ok, maintenant on va rester ici. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt.